Hello all and welcome back. So in this video again, we want to discuss a problem which we will be implementing using DFS and BFS. So the problem is has path. In this, what happens? We are given two vertices. Okay, so let's say I am given 0 and 4. What we are required to do is tell true or false if there exists a path from starting vertex to the end vertex. What does that effectively means? If you are starting from 0, are you able to reach 4 or not? That's the whole idea. Okay. If here, in this case, the answer is going to be true. If I give you the path, the nodes as let's say 7 and 1, then it's going to be false. Because from 7, there is no way that you can reach out to 1. They are not connected. Right, everyone? So, idea and solution is very easy. I guess you must have guessed it pretty well as well. That you have to just pick up and start from the starting node. Do a traversal. It can be a BFS traversal or a DFS traversal. Try to see if you are able to reach out to the end node. Now, once you are able to see the end node, you can break. You don't have to complete it fully. So, for example, if I give you 0 and 0, you can directly check if end no, you have reached the end node after starting, right? If that's the case, just return true. If I give you 0 and 2, then when as and when you just encounter 2 in your BFS or your DFS, you can say that yes, you have found the end node and you can return. So no need to do the complete traversal. Let me write that as well. No need for complete traversal after finding the node. After finding the node. Okay, everyone. So I hope this makes sense. Once the node has been found, and the last node, end node. Once the node has been found, then you don't have to complete the full traversal. You can just return. If not found, and you have started from the start node, then you have to return false. This time you don't have to call it again on some other component. Okay. So yeah, that's the overall question, everyone. Please make sure that you code it using DFS as well as BFS both. So we know both the traversals. Our idea is to make sure that slowly we are increasing the level of our questions and see that okay how BFS and DFS happens. One more suggestion, please try to write from scratch. Okay, don't copy paste the code. Yes, 80% of the code will be same, but still try to write it down. Don't try to copy paste the code because that will give you a habit of overall making sure that you can quickly write down these codes. If you will copy paste, then let's say if after a week or two or in some exam or some interview, you will have to code it from scratch, you might make some mistake. Okay, so please make sure that you write from scratch both the codes and you are able to basically do this question based on what all we have discussed.